Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Learn how to draw a tree by following along with us. This is a great activity to celebrate Earth Day and appreciate the beauty of nature. In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll guide you step by step as you create a simple yet beautiful tree drawing using basic shapes. The first Earth Day was celebrated on April 22, 1970, to raise awareness about environmental issues and promote sustainability. Earth Day is now celebrated in more than 190 countries, with millions of people taking part in cleanups, planting trees, and spreading environmental awareness. One of the most popular Earth Day activities is planting trees. In fact, over 7 billion trees have been planted around the world on Earth Days since 1970. I encourage you all to plant a tree or even a small plant today. Every little effort counts, and together, we can help take care of tomorrow. The largest tree in the world by volume is a giant sequoia named General Sherman, standing over 84 meters tall. Did you know trees communicate with each other through underground networks of fungi, known as the Wood Wide Web, to share nutrients and warn of danger? How cool is that? Trees play an important role in the water cycle by absorbing rainwater and releasing moisture into the air through a process called transpiration. More importantly, forests are home to more than 80% of the planet's terrestrial biodiversity, making them vital for wildlife. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.